What's up, gamers? Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today I'll be showing you how to find a slime statue in mobile. So first you're going to want to enter in Crimson, Evil, Medium Seed, Classic Difficulty, name it whatever, and you're just going to enter in the seed, slime statue, just like that. And create your world. And I will be back once the world is created. And we are back. The world is almost created. The Reef of Piranhas. Alright, go to your world. And all you're going to want to do is dig straight down. It's pretty cool. The world's slime statue, see, it has a slime statue straight down. It's pretty cool. Yep, just dig straight down. You'll find a hornet statue. Don't want that. We're looking for a slime statue. And keep digging straight down. And eventually you should reach a mushroom biome. Make sure you subscribe and like the video as well, if this video helped you out. See, we got the mushroom biome. Alright, now you're just gonna wanna head into the mushroom biome. You see we got a lot of statues on the floor here. Then you're just gonna wanna go. Oh, don't die, please don't die. Damn it. Alright, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. It's very unprofessional of me, but we're gonna go straight down till you reach the mushroom biome. And you'll see two axe statues here. Go right in between them, past the squirrel statue. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Right to the left of the squirrel statue. You got a slime statue here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.